We call on Wells Fargo.
We call on Wells Fargo
To stop foreclosures.
to stop foreclosures.
Stop racist,
Stop racist,
predatory lending practices.
predatory lending practices.
Stop your racism.
Stop your racism.
And stop
And stop
robbing
robbing
our children.
our children. We are unstoppable. Another world is possible. We are unstoppable. Another world is possible.
It is time.
It is time.
Wells Fargo.
Wells Fargo
It's a foreclosure notice.
gets a foreclosure notice
For their failure.
for their failures
To pay their debt.
to pay their debts
To society.
to society
And for their crimes.
and for their crimes
Against the people.
against the people. Mic check.
1910,
1910.
on this date,
On this date,
hundreds of women
in London
were arrested
were arrested as criminals
for asking for
for
the right to vote.
the right to vote.
The fight goes on.
The fight goes on.
Just one person in this room walk out with us.
Well, one person.
And I'll still
Anybody.
I'll still go to jail if you want me to. One of us.
Join us.
Would you walk out with me?
Mic check.
Mic check.
Mic check.
Mic check.
I believe
believe
that there are a lot
that there are a lot
of people
in this room
and not just
the
one sitting on the floor
one sitting on the floor
who believe in what we're doing.
in what we're doing.
Mic check.
Mic check.
Would any employee
Would any employee
of this bank
of this bank
like to walk out of these doors
of these doors
linking my arm
linking my arm? But I understand
that it is difficult
that it is difficult
because of the institution
because of the institution
behind the badge
to
join us.
join us.
But what about this?
But what about this?
What if you all joined us?
You all joined us.
We all have a choice.
We all have a choice.
In the next few years,
In the next few years,
your children
your children
might ask
might ask
if you had an opportunity
if you had an opportunity
to put your weight behind our weight.
to put your weight behind our weight.
This is your opportunity.
This is your opportunity.
I will walk out
I will walk out
right now
right now
with anyone
with anyone
not sitting down
not sitting down
who links my arm.
Who
links my arm.
If you want us to leave,
If you want us to leave,
someone link my arm.
Someone link my arm. In solidarity.
In solidarity.
Mic check.
Mic check.
Mic check.
Mic check.
I too
I too
will leave here
will leave here
peacefully.
Peacefully.
If anyone
if anyone
Anyone
in this room
will
join me
join me
in solidarity against injustice. The entire
in the entire
history of movements in this country.
of movements in this
A
country.
police officer,
A police
to
officer,
the best of my knowledge,
to the best of my knowledge,
has
has never
walked out a front
All
door.
right, it's now
Walk out.
4:59 p.m.
It's
You have the
solidarity.
option to get up and leave. This is your second warning. If you choose not to, you'll be given one third and final warning, approximately 5 minutes. At that point in time, you're subject to arrest.
Mic check.
Mic check.
Mic check.
Mic check.
This is your third.
This is your third
invitation.
invitation
To join us.
to join us.
Would anybody be willing to shake my hand in front of all these people in a show of solidarity at least? Anyone?
We are not against you.
I'm attempting to show brotherhood with all of you.
You guys are the only thing standing in the way of change.
If one
Anyone?
person walked out with me right now, out that door, I would still go to jail. So would I.
Yes, I would be willing
One
for,
person.
if that's what it takes. You got less than 3 minutes until you're walking.
Mic check.
Mic check.
You'll like weekends.
Weekends.
You know where the weekend came from?
You know where the weekend came from?
Workers
Workers
who fought and bled and died for that right.
for that right.
Sitting down in front
of
a circle of cops.
a circle of cops.
If you think
that
workers' rights,
workers' rights,
that women's rights,
women's rights,
that people of color's rights,
that people of color's rights,
that the people's rights,
that the people's rights
are important,
this
sitting down
sitting down
and taking a stand
and taking a stand
is the only way
is the only way
we progress.
Make progress. We have
Right in this country
is
because of people like us.
of people like us.
Of people like us
Of people like us.
doing
Things
exactly
exactly
like this.
Like this.
We the people. We the people.